Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off audio tones on JBL Authentics 300. Audio tones are played after turning on or off your speaker, as well as after pressing on Bluetooth speaker to search for devices, and audio tones are also played after enabling or disabling microphone. To disable audio tones or enable them back again, choose your speaker in JBL One App, then go to Product Settings and disable or enable audio tones. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.